Hi, I'm Daria, and today I'm going to show you a solution that helps you decrease office vacancy while marketing your spaces in line with current occupiers' needs. I'm a business development manager and a senior workplace architect at Brightspaces, a 3D digital twin company that works with real estate developers to digitalize their leasing process and elevate their marketing campaigns. What you see here is an example of a digital replica of an office building that doesn't exist yet. It's in construction. To create this, we only need floor plans, elevation drawings, sections, and some renderings. It's really easy to create a digital twin with our technology and 3D experts. We can also create a digital brochure for your project that includes building specs, sustainability specs, and information on the quality of the materials used inside and for the structure. We also integrate with Google for points of interest. And we can include an aerial shot to show exactly how you enter and exit the parking lot. In high-density areas, this can be very useful. Scrolling down the presentation page, we upload a gallery of images and videos, or whatever content you feel necessary to present. And we enclose a contact form with contact details. The digital brochure can replace your traditional website, and it can save you more than 15 or 25K over a creative digital agency fee. Going back to the 3D digital twin of the building, this is what brings the most added value, as it's the best digital experience that you can provide to your potential tenants. On the 3D building, we map your key differentiators on hotspots, where we can add rich content, such as video, images, or links, or even plain text. Anything that makes your building stand out in front of your competitors. Our platform offers a single point of truth where your potential tenant or a broker gets acquainted with your building. The building can be an existing one, or it can be under construction like this one. We don't need to have the building ready to create the digital twin. To explore the available spaces, we have filtering options. You can filter by floor, by surface, or just drop down to see all the options available. We can also add any filtering criteria that you consider relevant and that will help the tenant find their ideal space easier. It saves time for you, the brokers, and the potential clients while creating a top-of-mind experience for everyone involved. Let's explore the inside of the building. Once the viewer has selected the desired space, it is highlighted on the building view, and you can proceed to explore it in 3D. What you see here is the digital twin of a standard floor, on which we can interactively map all the information about building specs, sustainability, health and safety measures, technical features, or any kind of other information that is relevant and makes your office stand out as unique in its offering. Every detail has its fair share of attention, light play, and realistic textures. You can see it in 2D or 3D, and most importantly, you can walk into the future because you're walking through an off-plan building. You can use the arrows to move, or you can just click to move to the desired position. Every implementation will have a standard fit-out. Our workplace architects will engage with your leasing, marketing, and architecture teams in order to generate the 3D fit-out, representing the most efficient use of the space. We can also create it based on as little as a list of space requirements from you. The potential tenant can request an offer for the space directly from the virtual tour. what has happened during this stage? The potential tenant became a qualified lead. He now knows the building, he knows where it's located, he saw the space, he can imagine his team in that space, he likes how it could be furnished, so he can engage in a direct discussion with you. This means that future on-site tours will be more on point and your leasing team will be focused on closing rather than showcasing different spaces. To request an offer, after the tenant fills in all the necessary information, he requests an offer and you'll receive an email notification or a CRM notification if you have one. If not, we will implement the management dashboard where you will be able to manage your availability, see all the deals, generate offers and heads of terms in just a few clicks. This is a short overview of what Brightspaces does. Our solution helps you increase engagement, qualify leads, and get better commercial results by showcasing portfolios with 3D web VR technology. Use digital twins to elevate your marketing and stand out by offering tenants the opportunity to see themselves in your space.